As of 29th May 2024, what are the different formats on YouTube? Hey guys, Nikhil here. Let's break down every different YouTube video format or content format you have available to you. The first one is your normal YouTube videos, your OG YouTube videos, 16:9 aspect ratio, upload up to 4K. Simple, your normal, what you end up seeing on a TV or a landscape format on your phone. These have been around for long. This is the main format which YouTube created. Next, because of the popularity of Reels and TikToks, YouTube ended up making short. So you have 60-second 9:16 aspect ratio videos which you can upload, and these have also started gaining a lot of popularity. A lot of views on YouTube are coming over here. The next content format is YouTube Lives. Again, a competitor to Twitch, which YouTube built in their platform. You can go live on your channel, share the link. Basically, the video remains as a recorded video on your YouTube channel once you stop your live, and you can send it across. This is also 16:9 aspect ratio. You also have lives now in the vertical format, which ends up showing on the shorts feed. By the way, this video is on 29th May 2024. So as more and more YouTube formats come out, we'll keep updating you here. So please keep that in mind. But yeah, going forward, you have live on your 16:9 aspect ratio. You have live in the shorts feed as well. But apart from that, you have some more formats. You'll be wondering, what am I talking about? So you can actually upload GIFs on YouTube. It'll come up under the YouTube community tab in your channel. So go to the community section, add a post, and you can actually upload images, GIFs, and even carousels on this place. And this is the last video format which you have available on YouTube. So hope this helps. One small thing, if you are an advertiser and you're looking at YouTube as a platform to advertise, apart from all of these formats, you also have display ads which you can run within YouTube, and it shows up on the top somewhere over here. So I will zoom out and we'll show up a screenshot here. But basically those are your simple display ads, so you can actually show image ads as well in YouTube videos. And of course text ads below which come up here occasionally. There's a lot more ad formats. We'll create a separate video for that. But I hope this helps. A simple video on all the available YouTube formats.